Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today I'm going to talk about how to handle the downturn in the stock market during economic crisis. Let's get into the video. The stock market is down right now because there is some economic uncertainty going about right now. Therefore, as an investor, how should you handle the downturn in the stock market during this economic crisis? I would start by saying wealth is not generated overnight. Wealth building is achieved over a long period of time. So if you are an investor in the stock market, I would not start panicking. The market being down now is actually a good time to buy stocks on sale. As the stock market is down, it also means that stocks are on sale, and it could be a great opportunity for someone to buy more shares of a particular fund. If you are debt free, have an emergency fund of 3 to 6 months of living expenses, I would continue investing in the stock market with at least 15% of my salary, even though there is a downturn in the stock market right now. Also, always keep in mind that the stock market goes up and down. So your ability to ride the market when it's down is very important, because panicking during the downturn and selling all your investments from the stock market could cause you the opportunity of building wealth in the long run. If you want to learn how to invest your money, please check out my course on how to invest your money below of the description of this video. Thanks for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.